Thank you for choosing this new Nordic Track exercise bike. Follow along to assemble your new Nordic Track bike. Assembly requires 2 persons. Place all parts in a cleared area and remove the packing materials. Do not dispose of any of the packing materials until you finish all assembly steps. In addition to the included tools, assembly requires 1 Phillips screwdriver and 1 rubber mallet. To avoid damaging parts, do not use any power tools. If there are shipping tubes attached to the front and rear of the frame, remove the screws attaching the shipping tubes and discard the screws and the shipping tubes. Do not use the shipping screws for assembly. Orient the front stabilizer as shown. Attach the front stabilizer to the frame with 2 M8 by 25 mm screws. Attach the rear stabilizer to the frame with 2 M8 by 25 mm screws. Slide the seat carriage onto the seat post. Next, slide an M8 washer onto an adjustment handle. Insert the adjustment handle upward into the seat post and tighten the adjustment handle into the seat carriage. Note, the adjustment handle functions like a ratchet. Turn the adjustment handle in the desired direction, pull it downward, turn it in the opposite direction, push it upward, and then turn it in the desired direction again. Repeat this process as many times as necessary. To adjust the seat after you assemble the exercise bike, see pages 12 and 13 in your manual. Attach the console deck to the console mount with 4 M4 by 12 mm blunt screws. Start all 4 blunt screws and then tighten them. Slide the console mount onto the handlebar. Attach the console mount with 2 M8 by 16 mm screws. Remove the plastic tie, securing the upper wire to the frame. Next, hold the handlebar near the handlebar post. Route the upper wire through the handlebar as shown, and then slide the handlebar onto the handlebar post. Do not pinch the upper wire. Next, slide an M8 washer onto an adjustment handle. Insert the adjustment handle upward into the handlebar post and tighten the adjustment handle into the handlebar. Note, to adjust the handlebar after you assemble the exercise bike, see page 12 in your manual. Tighten an M4 by 15 mm blunt screw into the underside of the handlebar post. Locate the wire tie inside of the console mount. Tie the wire tie to the wire pull on the upper wire. Then insert the wire pull and the upright wire upward into the console mount. Next, pull the upper end of the wire tie until the upper wire is routed through the console mount. Do not untie the wire tie yet. Next, slide a grommet onto the upper wire and press the grommet into the underside of the console mount. Press the small latch on the connector on the upper wire and remove and discard the wire pull and the wire tie. Connect the upper wire to the console wire. Important, the wire connectors should slide together easily and snap into place with an audible click. You must connect the connectors properly for the console to function properly. Then insert the connectors into the console mount. Slide a grommet onto the console wire and press the grommet into the console mount. The console requires 3 AA batteries, which are not included. Alkaline batteries are recommended. Do not use old and new batteries together, or alkaline, standard, and rechargeable batteries together. Important: if the console has been exposed to cold temperatures, allow it to warm to room temperature before you insert batteries. Otherwise, you may damage the console display or other electronic components. Press the tab on the battery cover and remove the battery cover. Next, insert 3 batteries into the battery compartment. Make sure to orient the batteries as shown by the diagram inside of the battery compartment. Then reattach the battery cover. Identify the right pedal. Using your fingers, turn the right pedal clockwise and halfway into the right crank arm. Then use the included wrench to firmly tighten the right pedal. Attach the left pedal to the left crank arm in the same way, but you must turn the left pedal counterclockwise to attach it. Identify the right weight rest. Attach the right weight rest to the frame with two M5 by 8mm screws. Attach the left weight rest in the same way. Then set the hand weights in the weight rests. After the bike is assembled, inspect it to make sure that it is assembled correctly, that it functions properly, and that all the parts are properly tightened. Extra parts may be included. Place a mat under the exercise bike to protect the floor or carpet. Thank you for purchasing this Nordic Truck exercise bike.